Hey traders, welcome to the Mistrade Daily Report. It is Wednesday after the market close. What a wild and crazy day. A lot of volatility, a huge range. We had almost 41 points of range today, which is outstanding. There's a lot of volatility. We had a crazy sell-off early this morning on some rumors that turned out to be not true. As I always say, guys, do not trade those rumors. Okay, be very careful about those things. As you can see today, we went ahead and got some legs underneath the market, and we rallied hard the rest of the day. And as we talked about the longer term picture here, we slam right back into this little trend line on a weekly basis. That trend line is getting very strong. Now that also coincides with another level. Let's go over to the daily chart. As you can see here, that was that shoulder area up here, that 97, 98 area, and we ran right into that area at 1196 and a quarter today. We had quite the sell-off after that. Let's go down to a 10-minute chart and look at that sell-off. Right after we hit up around that 1196, we sold off really hard. Now whether that's just profit taking on this run right here, because this is a solid run, no doubt about it. Down here from the 55 level to today's low to 95. That's an amazing run right there. We'll have to wait to see. The market still is weak at this time. As you can see, any type of news or rumors, this market is selling off quickly, so be very, very careful out there, guys. If we close above this 98 level, or even better above the 1203 level, then I'm really suspicious about the downside move right now. The way it looks, though, guys, we're still in this channel. This is still a fairly weak market. We don't know if this is window dressing or what it is right now. So for tomorrow, I got just a couple quick numbers, and then I got to run. I got a cross-country meet to get to with my oldest son. We do have some numbers tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. I'm sorry, Eastern Standard Time. At 8:30 a.m. Eastern, we have CPI number out. We have Empire State Manufacturing, and we have jobless claims. Then at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, we have the Philly Fed meeting notes out as well. So we have, or I believe that's Philly Fed survey. I apologize, Philly Fed survey. Okay, I'm right back. I just got interrupted, so I just put you on pause here. But yes, tomorrow at 10 a.m. we have Philly Fed survey. Again, those are all Eastern Standard Times, guys. So watch those numbers. Let's catch a couple of levels for tomorrow. Now, remember, we do have up above here, I'm watching these very closely. We have the 98 level, and we also have that 1203, let's go up to 1206. We'll call that good. That's a big area. We close and start trading above that, guys. My next level up there is that 26 to the 29 level, 26 to 29. And typically we don't get these two-day rallies like this. This is a pretty big move off that bottom there. So I'm expecting some rotation tomorrow. So if we do rotate, we could rotate back down these levels. And remember, what happens when we break resistance? It becomes support, especially on longer time frames. You can see where we slammed right back down into once we broke up above that gap that we closed today. Once we close that gap, what it do is slam right back down into that gap, and that gap held. Now if we go back down, we have that level we talked about before, that 70 to that 74 level. We'll see how that holds. And of course now the line in the sand is getting interesting. Where is the 70-74 line in the sand, or the 60-62 down to the 60 area? Well, those are two big levels now that we have to chew through to find some weakness. So let's watch those levels for tomorrow. Other than that, trade very well. Be very careful. Make sure you have your stops in and understand the volatility and how your stops work with that volatility. Other than that, guys, trade well tomorrow, and we'll talk to you tomorrow afternoon. See you.